here. About how long ago?
5 years ago.
Welcome to Hood Watch News. Please like and subscribe and enjoy the content.
Can I help you, boss?
No, I'm just stopping through real quick. I misplaced something last night.
Shouldn't have been anything here. It's private property.
Oh no, I got friends here.
What apartment your friend live in?
Across the street on the second floor.
Across the street on the second floor, and why are you over here then?
When I cross the street, I mean over here. This one on the second floor.
Yeah, well, keep moving then, bud.
I'm guessing you
Good
get
night.
used to the cold out there in Alaska. It was just 70 degrees in Florida. I felt like I needed a jacket.
Yo, what you doing? Yo, what you doing?
Hey, I'm looking for Emmanuel.
You looking for who?
Emmanuel, Irvin.
For who?
Irvin or Emmanuel.
I don't know what you saying, bro, but whoever you looking for, they ain't there.
All right, I appreciate that.
Yup, no problem.
I'm gonna go across the street.
Huh?
I'll go across the street and ask later.
All right, don't come back on this porch though.
Here we go again. This is open it, open it, open it. Open it. Open it. Open it. Open it. Open it, you bitch. It doesn't work. It doesn't work.
Poor lady, she's so angry she's gonna ruin her bike wheel doing all that, if it's hers. Not sure what this guy has going on. He looks lost, drunk, confused, or maybe all three. Even after a clear warning, he still sticks around. Be careful out there, ladies.
Can you get away from our door before we call the cops?
Hi, my name is Isaiah.
Yeah, get away from our door, please, before we call the cops. Can you get away from our door? Get away from our door, please.
Check this sneaky guy out. Make sure you keep those doors locked. The holidays are here. You never know anybody's intentions. People are getting real desperate.
Sorry about that. Wrong house. Sorry.
Also, try not to leave any valuables or personal information in your vehicles just in case these people happen to get in.
The fuck on!
With the holidays being here, check out your other delivery options, P.O. boxes, Amazon lockers, and pickup locations you can grab them from. You would hate to lose a good gift.
Hey, put that back. Put my package back. Put it right the fuck back. God damn. Girl. Yeah, girl, this my man just walked on my porch and picked up my package. Girl, no. Girl, I caught this man just walked up on my porch and picked up my package. Come on, we're going to get this. I don't want to get in trouble. Oh, I'm ready to go. He picked up the package. Yeah, I caught him, and I heard up and hit the mic. Hey, put that back. Put. Hey, motherfucker. Ahí está. Hey. El negro otra vez.
Please be aware of this scam. They're trying to swap
Porque te
fake
vio
gold
como
for
mi
real
mamá
gold,
no vio
mainly
mi mamá
targeting the
5
elderly.
años. Es todo para ti. Todo para ti, mamá. Míralo, mamá. Todo para ti.
Toma isso. Mandou pra coisa eles.
Isso fala ali.
Então o que tá perdido. Então o que tá nisso. A verdade é para aqui.
If anyone knows what the woman is saying, let me know.
Hey, hey.
Let me know what you guys think about this. Seems like she was trying to get her to come outside.
How can I help you?
Hi, ma'am. Your Ring camera is kind of breaking up. Can you hear me?
I can
Your
hear you.
Ring camera is breaking up a little bit. Can you hear me well?
I can hear you.
Okay, well, I can't hear you that well. My name is Lachey. I'm just here to inform you about the constructions and upgrades that we have done in the area. It seems like you're not home, so I just came out another time. Thank you so much.
Mm-hmm. Who's it?
Corey.
Who?
Corey.
Where I know you from? What?
No, look at.
I think you got the wrong house.
Run.
Cause I don't know you.
Run.
Wrong house.
Where's Cass at, Ron?
Man, look, I do not know you. You at the wrong house.
Ron.
You at the wrong house.
Ron, I know your voice. Come on now.
I'm about to come to the door.
Okay.
Did I touch you? Did I do anything to make you feel any type of way? That's what I want to know. Okay? Are you gonna be a Jose Square? Are you gonna be like a fake person? I'm confused. Go ahead. Just go ahead and beat me up, cause I swear to God, my nigga, like I am recording everything since the day I've been here. So go ahead. Absolutely.
I don't know what you're trying to
I never did anything to you. Did I do anything to you?
I didn't say that you did.
Okay. Okay. Did I do anything? I'm confused. So I can walk on my own, right?
Not yet. Not yet.
Oh,
I've got
I
a few more
can't
questions
walk
for you.
on my own.
Just a few more questions for you.
No, I'm confused. And now you have me locked up in I'm confused.
Okay. So again, I'm just trying to clarify.
Okay. Go ahead. Go again.
You had some Jose Cuervo earlier. About how long ago?
Nigga, fucking 5 years ago.
You said you had some today, not 5 years ago.
Okay, so I didn't say 5 years ago, but.
Sir. Check this guy out. Let me know if you can decipher this gibberish.
To the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
Man, I'm trying to find my stuff is getting right at the can I put my stuff in the can I send me off for a minute? I'm trying to get back to California too. I got some can you answer me right quick?
I recommend not answering from anyone you don't know. Most likely will be some request that you don't care about.
Oye, ladrón. Oye, oye, oye. Hey, ladronazo.
Could you not take the whole thing?
Is anybody here named Karen? Her name is Ebony. She's laying in the field, and this is laying in the field. She's laying in a parking lot at her job. Something has happened to her. The Lord told me to come to what? To this address? To this address.
What do you need, man?
As always, I really appreciate you guys watching these videos. Please stay safe out there. Like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. If you like ordering groceries, I recommend you get them as soon as possible. Please don't leave them out for 30 minutes at a time. People are getting real desperate out here and they'll steal anything. Check out the Patreon link in the description below for clips like this. I cannot show the whole video on YouTube. Only $1 a month. Cancel anytime.
Can I help you?
Yeah, is this food out here for free?
I'm sorry, say that again?
The food with the sign, is that for free?
Yeah, if you need it, you can take whatever you need.
I was just asking before I took to make sure.
Yeah, absolutely.
What?
Leave the box. Leave the box, please. Sure.
Oh, wrong house. Wrong house.
I recommend everyone get a locked mailbox to prevent people from having access to your mail, especially with tax season approaching. Thank you for watching Hood Watch News. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.